Real Estate Radio TV, the web radio 100% dedicated to real estate.
Welcome to Real Estate Radio TV for a new podcast. In today's podcast, we have the honor to be welcomed by the founder of US Invest, Thibault. How are you today?
I'm doing great, thank you.
And the real estate advisor of US Invest, Roma. How are you today?
I'm great, how are you?
Perfect. Thank you guys for welcoming us into your beautiful establishment that you have here and your beautiful company. Could you guys talk a little bit about your company, what you guys do, and what do you guys offer?
Yeah, so we are a real estate turnkey provider in the Cleveland area as well as in Florida in general. So Thibault created the company 6 years ago and built everything from scratch. So 2.5 years ago he decided to actually do a complimentary offer in Cleveland due to great pricing and great returns that we can provide for
great investment opportunity.
Exactly, yeah.
In Cleveland and also here in Florida.
As well, yes.
Yes. So, and you know, a question may be, why do you guys decided to create a real estate company in the USA and realize, if I made the American dream?
That's a good question. So first of all, we are very passionate. So when I created the company, I fulfill my passion in real estate because I know real estate for a long time. Even if I'm young, I started at an early age of my career, and the USA because it's I love this country. So it's a land of opportunities.
Uncle
That's what
Sam's
they say,
country.
right? So, but you just need to know where to market and which people to
And
target.
find the really good niche.
Yeah, good products and create the demands. If you have needs and demands, then you can offer really good products because our specialty is to know where to invest at a good price, good return, and hassle-free. So it's turnkey, and we take care of everything for our French investors. Basically, we also work with US people a little bit less because usually they like to work with themselves, American.
Yeah.
So, but sometimes when we have demands, we are more than happy to help them.
And you already found the francophone niche, if I may.
Yeah,
So,
it's like
yeah,
a niche.
It's a good opportunity.
Yeah, as you said. So we have a lot of demands for people from France, from Belgium, Switzerland, Canada. So it's a great niche, as you said.
And could you guys talk a little bit about your team? How does it work and function?
So it's very important for us to work as a team. If you are only one person, it's hard to scale any business in general. So it's always necessary to create an ecosystem with the sales, with how to get the products at a certain price. Then how we manage the property after, because you can buy any properties you want, but if it's not managed the right way, it's a bit of mess.
So if I understand, everybody in your team has a specific task to fulfill to offer the best customer service in real estate and in investment.
Correct.
And
yes.
And so you said you offer a complete turnkey service. So could you be more specific on what you guys offer?
So let's maybe Romain talk about that.
Yeah, so what do we mean by turnkey? A turnkey service in real estate is basically taking the needs and the criteria of an investor and basically finding a deal that is already repaired and ready to go to be rented out. So that's what we do. We also provide and create companies for outside, so foreign investors, even from people for the US. From the US, we create a company for them. We provide an accountant, we provide a property manager, a repair team, everything that you need in order to make a real estate investment successful.
Yeah. So basically, it's the I want to buy, I want to gain money from investment, gain money back, and you take care of basically everything from A to Z.
Mm-hmm.
And so I want to buy. What is the buying process exactly? If I'm a francophone or maybe a U.S. citizen, what is the buying process?
Yeah, so the first thing is to get obviously the funds ready. So we find a product for them. Once they position themselves on a product, on a property, we basically help them all the way to the closing through a title company that will actually be an intermediary between our company and the investor, just so we make sure that the closing goes smooth and the right way. And typically it takes between 15 to 30 days to close on a property.
Pretty short time.
It's a very short and easy process for
So
an investor.
it's basically finding a property, closing it, and gaining your investment back.
Yeah, so if you want to talk a little bit about numbers, the cap rates that we're looking for the properties in Cleveland are over 10%. What I mean by cap rate is the true cap rate after all expenses that you can ever think of.
Yes.
So I mean, making 10% on your money every single year through cash flow using the rent coming in, and on top of that, we're hoping for an appreciation over time, which is usually what real estate does, because real estate is scarce. We know that our investors, put their money into good hands, in a good system, in good product that will appreciate over time and bring them cash flow through the rents.
And you also have a property management taking care of the lease and the tenant. So
Correct. So we have a team there in Cleveland, especially in Cleveland. We have also a team in Florida that take care exclusively of our houses. So they find tenants, they sign the lease with the tenant. Before that, they screen the tenants, of course. It's very important to screen every tenant. And they are taking care of if there is any repairs necessary. The tenants call the team, property management team on the site to make sure that everything is ready to go pretty quickly, and getting the rents every month.
Well, thank you guys for coming in for this very interesting podcast as always. Don't forget to follow us on all social media platforms for the latest news and information about real estate. See you guys soon.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.